Very good morning, all the students of third standard. We are learning our social studies, unit number 3, chapter number 13. Delhi is going on, and Rajghat. This one point is going on. So Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Rajghat, it is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, the place where they buried the body of Mahatma Gandhi is there at Rajghat. Other places that attract tourists are the Delhi Zoo. Another places which are there in Delhi which attract tourist activities in Delhi. Among that, zoo is there. Delhi Zoo is there. Nehru Museum is also one important place which attract the tourist activity. Nehru Museum and planetariums and the Lodi Garden. Planetarium is there, Lodi Garden is there. So this also attract tourists in Delhi. The famous religious place at Birla Mandir is also there in Delhi. Famous religious place. The temples we can call that. Birla Mandir is also famous. The religious from religious point of view. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib and the famous Bhai temple which is shaped like a lotus. Bhai temple is also there. The characteristic, important characteristic or the main things of the Bhai temples. The structure, the shape of it's look like a lotus. Shaped like a lotus. So New Delhi is a planned city. If you see the New Delhi, then it is a planned city. That it has a wide roads, gardens there. But the roads are there in a New Delhi is there. The roads are very wide, and gardens are there in New Delhi. Shopping centers also there. Shopping centers are there, and hospitals are also there. Education centers are there. Stadiums are also there. Railway stations are there, and airports are there. Stadium, railway stations, and airports, such things are there. Delhi also has a railway systems called the metro rail. So in Delhi, there is a metro railway system is there. To that metro railway or what the railway system runs from the Delhi, it is called as a metro railway, and which runs from the both elevated and underground lines. On this it's paint there. So now I know from this lesson, Delhi is one of the oldest capital of the world. First thing what we have learned through these lessons, that is Delhi is one of the most oldest city of the capital from the world. New Delhi is the capital of India also there. If you see the New Delhi, it is the capital city of our country, or it is the capital of India. All important central government offices are located in New Delhi. Again, one characteristic or important part of it, that all important what the government offices are there, departments are there, they are located in New Delhi. The president, the prime ministers, and the ministers of the central cabinet reside in New Delhi. President is there, prime minister is there, and cabinet ministers, they reside in a New Delhi. Delhi has many historical monuments. Along with that, if you see Delhi, it has a number of historical monuments in a New Delhi. So next one now do this one. Fill in the blanks. The iron pillar is near the Qutub Minar. Iron pillar is near the Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar spelling is QUTABMINAR. QUTABMINAR. Qutub Minar. The next fill in the blanks is there. The dry hot winds that blow during summer are called loo in Hindi. L-O-O, loo in Hindi. Next one. Delhi share its border with Delhi share its border with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So Haryana spelling is Haryana. Haryana spelling Haryana. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. UTTAR. Uttar PRADESH. Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Next one question. Delhi is now known as the National Capital Territory. What is our answer? Delhi is now known as the National Capital Territory. Is our answer. Delhi is now known as the National Capital Territory. So fill in the blanks we have seen, and the answers of our fill in the blanks. The iron pillar is near the Qutub Minar. It is our first answer. Iron pillar is near the Qutub Minar. Next one. The dry hot winds that blow during summers are called loo in Hindi. The dry hot winds which are blow in summer, they are called as loo in Hindi. Spelling of loo, that is L-O-O. Delhi share its border with Haryana. Haryana. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. UTTARPRADES. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Delhi is now known as the National Capital Territory. Our answer is National Capital Territory. Hey Rudrash. Hey. So in this way, today we'll stop here. When it will come tomorrow, then tomorrow will come with the next one. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. I have to call you again. I told you come within 5 minutes.